This video is for showing you how to use a MindTap study system under the Cengage website. First of all, of course, you have to create a student account. Your student account username usually is your university email address. So I have that created already, so I'm going to just enter that username and typing my password, and it takes me to the MindTap page. You will see two open buttons. One is for opening your MindTap system, and the other actually open button take you to a page that give you free resources for studying. There's a lot of free studying tool for you to actually study the material. So I'm going to click open to get into the course page. And in the beginning of a semester, you will see this page. After you click on open, the page has a button take you to the course for free trials. Usually you have about 2 weeks of free trials. In the beginning of a semester, you'll be able to click take me to my course to get to the course material, read the ebook, and do the assignment. However, this period don't last long. If you decide to stay in the class, you have to enter the access code to be able to actually access to the MindTap page for the whole semester. So at this point I don't have access code, so I just take me to my course, right, for free trial. But if you do have access codes, I encourage you to just put it in there and then use the access code to get into the course. So I'm going to click here. So that take me into the MindTap course. Basically, in MindTap course, you can see the ebook for the textbook that we use, and they're organized in 5 sections. If you click on each of those folders, you get to see the collection of chapters within each section. So you can keep clicking these folder button to expand each of these sections to see all the chapters in this book. And to read the ebook, you can just click into each chapter. Now in each chapter there are sections, so if I want to read section 1, chapter 1, I click here. It takes me to section 1, chapter 1. And within each section, sometimes you will see show it. That means there's a video clips that actually discuss some of the concept that is in this section. So here I have a video talk about population versus sample. So if you want to view that video, you can click here, get into the video. Also, you can click read it to read the ebook. Okay, so you can scroll down to see the ebook for this first section and read about it. Once you're done, you can click to close the window and proceed to the next thing. You can click on the section assignment and so forth. So you can again click on folder to expand each section to see the videos and also read the ebooks for this section and try these assignments. Now these section assignment, since if you see this practice here, means this is just for practicing. You don't get credit for it. Okay, so but at the end of each chapter there is an assignment, and then you see this thing here say count towards credit. That means this particular assignment is going to count for credit. So you're going to before the end of the week, you want to after you finish chapter 1, you want to do this assignment for credit. And I already tried problem 1, okay, and actually each of these questions you have 3 attempts. So your score will be average of the 3 attempts. So you will try the best you can to answer it correctly the first time. But if you didn't have it right, you can try it again. All right, you have 3 attempts to do. So let's see. I'm going to click on the second question. So this is second question, and you want to read the question and try to answer the question. I'm going to just randomly check some answers. Okay. After I'm done with this, I want it to grade for me, so I click on grade it now, and it'll tell me which question I answered correctly and which one is wrong. If I have something incorrectly, then it'll give me a red cross mark. If I've done it right, you get a green check mark, And also you can click on open to see more description about the concept that are asked in these questions, and to do some reviewing, and hopefully next time you'll be able to answer these questions correctly. Okay, and you can click continue to go to the next question, or you can click try again, try another version again to try this question again. Okay, if you're done with it, you just click in again. You can close the window and you go back to this MindTap page for continue your studying and reading different chapters and sections. There's another way to view this material, that is by clicking on this list button here. If you click on it, it gives you the list of all the chapters and sections, everything on this page. You see the show it, video, and read the book, and assignment within each chapter, and then chapter and assignment. And you see this orange button here, orange sign here indicate that this is assignment that needs will be graded for credit, and these are practice problems that would not be graded for credit. So this is another place that you can actually get access to all the assignment very quickly, because they're all in one list. Okay, and some students probably prefer going this way. So everything is pretty well organized, and everything is shown on this page. And you will find there are other functionality in the MindTap. For instance, the last one allow you to take notes, right? If you wish to take notes, and you can highlight some text material in the textbook, and there will be place over here. So for instance, I want to highlight a chapter. Actually, I can click on this home here to show the MindTap material. So in case I want to read section, for instance, section 1.3, I click there, and I want to read maybe you can click here to flip page, or click here to directly to the topic. And for instance, I'm going to take note or highlight this particular section. Once you highlight it, you see there is a place for you to check the color you want to do the highlight. And of course, when you do the highlighting, if you need to put a note on your notebook, you can click add note. So then add a note here. Okay, you type a note there and you click save. Then if you have highlighted this information can be viewed if you click on this icon here. This is highlighted material. This is a note that I put for that highlighted material, indicate which chapter, okay, and what topic is it. If you want to remove it, you can click on this to remove that particular highlighted material. In fact, while you're reading your ebook, you can actually do these highlighting and organize your reading, and to kind of make yourself a shorter version of the book if you want to say. And you can also print these material if you wish. Okay, so that's a nice feature in the MindTap. So please spend some time on this system to try to get familiar with it, and especially doing the online assignment. Of course, I have some lecture materials, recorded lecture and PowerPoint slides on. You can get it from the main course content page. You can do your study over there and use this as like additional reading studying material if you like. But you should explore it, right, and to find the best way that fits you, right, to help you learn the different topic in this course. Okay, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.